You little monkey.
I got it. You're lucky that I didn't get that part. All right, let's go.
What?
What?
Get what?
Did you get what? I don't know.
Are you recording?
I don't know. Are you sweating?
Mac, are you recording?
You didn't catch what I say, right? You heard that?
Mac, are you recording? I need to know this.
It's very important information. Welcome back. I've been holding on to these clips, these Remnant clips, for like a year, maybe a year and a half, and I want to do them on limited time, so just some encounters that you might see. During the summertime, I have an air conditioner on, so you might hear that in the background, and Armani's mic is shit, and he echoes on Xbox. He should get a new mic, he won't get a new mic. Fuck him. Fuck that guy. We're playing through the entire of Remnant 1 because we want to play Remnant 2. That's literally it. That's the only reason. We also struggle and we suck, and that's about it. I will be coming out with more videos. Hope you enjoy the rest of it. Bye-bye! Someone's coughing. Keep away from me. Put a mask on. Someone put a mask on him.
Have you popped one of the black things, Mac, to get rid of the infected stuff?
Yeah, I already used one when I was infected. I read it.
I'm scared. I'm hearing too much bomb.
That's what I'm saying. Bomb!
As long as we don't find a boss anytime soon and get a checkpoint before, then I'll just wait to pop my oil.
Oh shit, I'm out of bullets. Start swinging! Start swinging!
So I started swinging. I'm popping. I can't swing.
Use your heal.
Give your healer money.
Like how I earlier was like, I'm not getting hit that much. Man, it's griefing. We're all griefing, actually. Holy shit. Alrighty.
Well, I'm pretty sure. I think most of the time, Armani, if we find a boss, it usually gives us a thing to respawn from.
Yeah, like right before. I hope so. If it doesn't work, fucks.
I thought it did.
Yeah, honestly,
Don't do.
swing.
No, I'm coughing. Now I'm swinging. I just heard somebody growl angrily, so I'm scared there's an all.
The squad fucking bolting. Why is there a mosquito?
I got it. Oh my dog!
Poop. There's a knight behind us. There's a knight behind us.
Wait, what? You're lying. Oh god. Start swinging.
Boy, that's not done.
Nice, that's needed!
We're busy dealing with the little one. Okay, I got okay, I'm popping my oil.
No!
Not good, my boys.
Yo, res me, I have more.
The minis are coming.
And I'm being chased.
I know.
Oh, he's teleporting. Hi, he's teleporting.
He's not, he doesn't teleport.
Oh, he doesn't? I thought I saw him teleport. Oh, wait, no, that was him. Sorry. Sorry, I lied.
Coming!
He just walks very menacingly.
Holy shit. Oh shit, he's running!
Money, you get him. Because I don't have any more.
Distract him, distract him, distract him.
My brother in Christ, please, it hurts.
Run.
Holy shit.
Falling back.
Fall back or say hi.
Fall back.
This is a horrible room to fight in.
We're in such a bad spot.
I'll get behind him.
He's aggroed on me. Money behind me. He's aggroed on me.
I'm lagging. Give me a second.
Fire at him.
Sure about that.
Man, it's running after this man like he's Michael.
The exit's up here, guys. Oh, you're trapped in there.
Wait, are you leaving?
He's asking you.
Man, oh guys, please, get the hut.
What if you're healing? What if you're healing?
I can't. Oh wait, wrong gun.
Oh, let's get the fuck out of here. Stop copying you, idiot. Someone shoot the...
What happened? Did Max
He
shoot
said,
you?
no, he said somebody shoot put and then turn around and bops your dog.
Not my dog, bro.
Man said, I'm sorry, little Timmy, but we're gonna have to put you down. Alright, let's get it.
I
Alright,
still have 5
boys.
minutes on my Olskin taunt. Oh no. Oh, it's this boss. It's the fucking sword one, and then it spawns minis.
Wait,
Yeah.
is this the one that splits?
No, this is the one that bombed the cluster bomb.
Oh, I've never fought this one.
I hate this one. It's my least favorite, of course.
Mac, just run. This is running simulator. Every time he does that, just run. Just run. Because
Bro, he one-shot my dog!
Mac, and your hero, he comes into little exploders like crazy. There's like 40 of them.
Oh my
If
god.
you let them overrun you.
He's not even half.
We have 4 bars. We're about to start meleeing. Oh, like over here behind you. Run behind you. He's doing it. Uh-oh.
Is he spawning them?
Little bomber. Paul, run.
I'm dead.
Do they explode by themselves? Do I?
Yeah,
Yes.
if they get too close, they like to get... Mac, you're down.
I ran away like you said.
Mac, how did you go down?
I ran away.
You have to dodge them before they explode, Max.
Oh, I'm sorry. He just told me to run away. I didn't think they would be able to catch up that quick.
No, yeah.
This one.
Oh, there's 2! There's 3!
I'm permadeath.
Bro, I can get this boss out of everyone. Oh, no.
Dude, I hate this one. I hate those bombers. Damn, well, there goes your dog.
Oh shit.
Dodge that, Max, right? Don't worry about it, hero.
No, I thought he was coming out.
Oh, you walked dead after.
What, behind you?
Okay, I'm seeing where the bombers are.
Mac. Dude, this one is...
Okay.
Are you down to the...
Max just died.
No.
Yeah. Back, he's approaching.
It's very slowly. Yes, I see.
You know, he's gonna... The moment he locks eye contact with you, he's gonna start charging. Oh, never mind. He's berserk. Now he's coming. He's listening.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Every time he does that thing where spikes come out of his body, he spawns those things.
Okay, then just
Whenever
run
we
away.
see that, we
Run
need to
away
be
from
ready.
him. Get out of his view, and then start taking out the mini ones, the bombers.
Dude,
No
what
way,
I hope
Max.
is we get the dragon and not the end. That's the world
Yeah, I
boss.
hope he gets the dragon too.
Oh damn!
I didn't know what to do, Armani. My brain shut off, alright?
Nice, please.
I mean, we could have jumped out the window, but it was one time, alright? It was one time. We'll have to go.
We are fucked.
Someone, Max
What is
teleporting.
Mac doing?
Max teleporting.
What? What's going on?
You were teleporting. Where is he? Hey, dog.
A dog.
Let me move. My picture is trash.
Uh-oh. Money's coming.
Oh shit.
Bye, Max. I like how the boss.
Oh shit.
Oh, I hate them. I hate this boss. Whenever you're fighting with people, he fucking runs away from the other two.
Minis.
Follow one upstairs.
They're coming right next to you. Three of them.
Wait, why didn't you blow up?
Holy shit. Behind you, one behind you, Armani. Careful.
Yeah, no.
I need to heal that guy.
You dodge! Good shit.
There's fall damage. There's fall damage.
Melee!
Where are the bombers?
There's a chicken on me. I'm dead. I'm going to go down. There's no one else to deal with these. I melee. I fucking melee type dog. That's the word. Oh my god.
Healing.
Okay, I'm gonna pick up Armani. Oh no, I can't. He's on me.
I just got a trait.
He's on me. Pick up Armani.
That's the healing one.
Hard to pick him up.
Good shit.
Yeah, I got some
Pumping oil. Alright, nice. We all need to get that, but like.
Oh my god.
Obviously, no. Just get them one. Stay in this corner.
Oh, I'm dead. I'm sorry. I didn't know he spawned more.
Oh, Allah, Allah.
There's one right there, bro. Of course.
Oh shit. I'll
can
get
deal
him.
with the
I'll
bot.
get him.
If you guys deal with something,
Oh my god, I'm lagging. I'll take his act right up. I almost got smacked in the face, I'm not gonna lie.
oh, Mackey's coming. Hurry up. Mackey's coming. Mac.
He spawned more, I'm a
Coughing. I have COVID.
Oh my god, dude.
Yeah. Crap. You get exploded by it once, you get COVID or something. You don't have any more of the cough.
Don't show.
Like 2 more times. If it doesn't
How many
work,
have
then
this dude up?
I got like 2 more.
Mac, get ready to dodge.
Man.
He spawned more.
Back up. Back behind you.
Drop from the ceiling.
Don't even shoot them. Just
I'm dead. If you don't
dodge.
start shooting them, just dodge.
Oh my god. I have no more.
I have no more.
Dude, we're not even halfway done.
Oh my god. Okay, just dodge. Just dodge them, honestly. Don't even shoot them.
The problem is I'm infected in my game.
I have COVID.
Framing.
Dude! Guys, please.
Mac.
That's a wall!
Nah.
Oh,
I
wait,
dodged.
Mac's on the lid. Oh, it was me and Armani. This is the same one.
Dude, I jumped into
Oh, okay.
another one that spawned. It drops to the ceiling and blew up. It lets you regen your ability faster.
What?
How did I not take damage?
You gotta go.
Bro, I'd actually
Ow, you
done
shot me,
already.
Armani.
He did.
He killed me. He fucking killed me.
I don't even think he was trying to hit me, but then he hit me on accident.
Yeah, Armani, I was standing behind Armani, yet he still hit me with his gun. I don't know how.
I fucking coughed. I coughed at the worst fucking time.
Alright, let's go upgrade shit.
I have mending feel. What? My bad, chief.
Bonnie.
It was a love tap, Armani. It was a love tap.
Use your hunter's mark, Mac.
It doesn't. Oh my god. I'm running over high. Oh, he's dead. All right.
Yeah, because someone is like, I can't reach you.
Hey, hi. Switch to spectate high.
He's bamboozled. Mac, he's bamboozled. Come here.
Oh, sorry. I was humping high.
Fuck, kill yourself.
No, Mac, he's bamboozled.
I literally coughed at the worst moment.
Armani, he's coming for your ass. Armani,
Where'd
he
he
is
go?
coming for your cheeks.
Where did he go?
Where did he go?
No, cause where did he go?
I need help. Behind you! Dodge! Oh, wow. What? What? How did you... How?
Armani's Jason Bourne.
How the fuck did he do that? Stop coughing.
How the fuck did he not die?
That's what the. Oh god. Are you fucking serious?
I hope you crash your car. Are you dead?
Is Armani
Where are
dead?
you?
I'm up the stairs, my boy.
I'm on my way.
I got stuck. I tried to dodge through the man, which usually works right as they explode, but I did it just a tad bit too early. That was my fault. And I'm coughing up a storm. Mom, I have a cold.
Come in,
Mom, I have a cold. I don't want to go to school. I have a cold,
Mike, this
Mom.
is our last attempt.
No, no, this is not your last attempt. It's over for you.
Hey, button's not working.
Okay.
Okay, wait.
I'm not gonna go through fucking windows. Fuck, I'm dead.
Oh, you're
No!
dead. Oh my god. He's alive. It's a miracle.
Boy, what the
Our
heck?
body's dead.
No way!
You're gonna have to jump that fence, my boy.
I'm right at the staircase.
Uh-oh.
I hear him. I hear the.
He's running.
I got the right off! I got it
Matt,
off!
come get me. Come get me.
Hey,
No.
Come get me. I can get him.
Oh my god. I'm coughing, bro. I'm coughing.
why does he have aggro? Because I can dodge it.
Okay, they're coming. They're coming.
No, I couldn't.
Guys.
God, he fucking killed him. Oh my god, that was such a good run.
That was a good run. We're getting closer.
Fuck off! I don't care who you are! Get out of the party!
Okay, can your recording hear me? Can your recording?
Yes, it can. It can. I'm using an Elgato. It's not- Get the fuck out of my party.
Put it on invite only.
I'll do that. I just walked out.
I got aggro. Armani, res him, I'll
I
keep
just
aggro.
walked out.
I'm on my way.
I just
He's
walked out.
spawning, hurry.
Are you kidding me?
I need to hit a vape or some shit, bro. Fucking hell.
He's by me. Yeah, please res him and then come. Stop. He's staring at me menacingly. He's just looking up at me. Please leave.
Give me my oil skin. I believe it. This
Armani,
time.
I'll keep aggro, you res.
Alright, bet. I'm on my way.
Please hurry. Hurry, the bombs.
He's spawned.
The bombs, the bombs, the bombs. Don't come near me. Don't come near me. Don't. Fucking.
Bro, once it hits you, you can't do shit. Fucking kill myself.
Oh, good night.
Presses A, bomb.
Wail at him. He's spawning again, bro. I'm coughing.
He's not letting that fly.
That didn't even hit me.
Bro, buddy is not letting that res slide.
I can't do it. I can't do
If
it.
he didn't spawn so many of them,
No, that's not the
Maybe.
problem. The problem is that he spawns them so frequently.
yeah, that's true.
Man, literally like, bro, get me jump. Help!
Okay. They didn't give me faith on a 101, so I called my game.
Armani, alright, don't get fucked. Let's spam until he gets like that house.
Okay, don't fucking careful now. Oh my god. One right there.
Back, watch out behind you.
Oh my god.
Mom, please, Mom, please, just leave me alone, please. I beg. I'm pleading.
I'm begging this a passing level.
Just give me a second.
Behind you. Oh wow, that hit you.
How is that hitting? I'm done. It's nowhere near me. It's hitting me.
Oh my god.
I'm actually about to reach. I'm actually about to reach.
Almost half HP. I can't see. Almost half.
You still want my cock.
Reloading.
Not again.
I'm floating in front of my bullet. Your head is fucking right there.
Bro, Paul.
I know.
Oh my god.
I have no more words. I have no words.
I'm struggling. Don't res him, please.
Fastest I've pulled. I'm on my. I think that's the fastest I've pressed my trigger.
Oh my god.
In a while. I have one more now. You're gonna have to start right now.
Yep.
He's just trying to fucking sword fight. And it's fun.
He spawned more.
Honestly, just dodge into him when he...
I've thrown him.
Okay, don't do that. Don't do that.
I can't. You're gonna have to. Please don't go down, Paul. He's aggroing me. I'm taking him away. Res him.
Please help.
I'll try to res him with my Corona.
Please. Please, I've had enough.
I got him.
Don't get me up. I'm done.
Back. Back.
Okay, no, we can do
No
it.
time to surprise, soldier.
It says you.
He's spawning more. Spawning more.
Spawning more. Where are they coming from? Where are they coming from?
Back to left. Back to left.
Oh my god. Okay. Holy shit, we can do this. We can do this. We can do this. One more. Cheating. What the fuck is going on?
At least 8.
Oh wait, take aggro. Take aggro.
I'll res back.
All right. No, I wasn't.
My brain.
Get up. Get up. No, no, get up.
So hard.
Get up. No concussion for you.
I get there. I'm bleeding. I'm bleeding and I have no sister.
Oh my god, thank you, Armani.
I had enough.
How did that hit me?
No! No!
I only have one. God.
Just res me.
Res me, I have 2.
Oh, okay.
Res me, I have 2.
I have 2 as well.
Come
on!
Just further away. Or him. Or... It's fine, it's fine. Quick, he spawned more. He spawned more!
Start dodging!
Frames. Not the time.
Behind you! Dodge! Oh my, how did that hit?
Back! I was nowhere near it! You saw! I was nowhere near it!
You have to believe me.
We were so close.
I was on the other side of Mac and they weren't even past Mac yet. And it hit me.
We were so close.
You were on the
We were
very
literally
edge of it,
on
and
the
it's bullshit.
And what happened? We died.
Yeah, no, that's expected. Thank you for trying it without me because you think I'm trash.
No, we just thought we would try it because you were just gone.
Oh, dude, I took the most zen piss I think I've ever had.
I went in.
I sat in the toilet like 10 minutes. I thought about my life, and then I'm like, man, dude.
You sat on the toilet like a woman pissed? Is that what you just said to me?
I mean, if you piss in the toilet, like,
I almost got hit and I wasn't even.
if you piss on the toilet, it'll
No,
like.
you sat down on the toilet. Bare ass.
Listen. Well, I had to think. I had to think.
You're a woman!
No, listen. I'm leaving this in the video, by the way. I had to think.
Shit! Okay.
You get beat on like a woman.
Recollected. Recollected that you summoned shit, but now I need to look.
Anyways, I sat on the toilet. 10 minutes. I thought about my life, and I think I found God. Why?
Bring it on home, John May.
Why are you vibing
Alright,
in
boys.
your... Wait, hold on.
Today, Today is the day.
You're kind of quiet, high.
Today is the day, boys.
To do what?
Beat him.
Beat who? Who are we talking about?
Warface.
Alrighty. Everyone ready?
Alright, let's get this shit, boys. First try.
I just lagged. I'm getting off. I'm getting off. I've had enough.
Mac, wait, we gotta.
Hello, this is Future Mac. There is a whole hour left of footage of fighting this one fucking boss. I'm not editing this. I refuse. So yeah, we restarted the game, by the way. We restarted. We completely restarted. We went to the second highest difficulty, not the first, not the highest of difficulties. It was really extremely difficult. And I'm not editing all this, so yeah. Thank you. Well, that's fine.
Good.
Guys, it's our first time going this world. That's crazy.
Bro, I wonder what it's gonna be like.
That's all I'm saying.
Lies. Wake up. Wake up. We've done this before. Wake up.
Inception inside of your asshole.
Cool, guys. It's only like we only have an hour to play because Mac took fucking 3 hours to shower.
Okay, I took a massive shit. I could send you a picture if you want.
Mac, it doesn't take fucking 3 hours for your shit to come out your asshole.
You don't know my asshole like I do. I'm gonna keep checking behind us because I'm worried. I'm paranoid.
I'll inspect the situation.
I just heard a massive grunt. I got a little scared.
I got a little indie, got a little worried, got a little...
Whoa! First are coming. First are coming. Guys, first are coming. Anyone got heal?
Gatling.
I do.
Anyone got heal?
Wait, where's the Gatlin? Where's the Gatlin? Where's the Gatlin? Okay.
Go in the corner.
Heal.
Bang.
Oh wait, no!
Fall back. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Which way are we fucking going?
Back, man. Fabio.
He's over.
You're gonna want my dick because of my dog.
He's done shooting. Fire. He's shooting. Stop firing.
Oh! Okay, I guess he's not firing. He lied.
Oh. Hi,
Body block. He's right here. Holly.
back run. Back run. Standing on top of me.
For the love of God! For the love of God! Please!
You to wrap around. Paul, keep walking.
Wrap
Paul, keep
around.
walking.
Oh, I have no heals. I have no heals. I have no heals left. Okay, just kill him. Just kill him. He's one shot.
So slow.
Okay, holy
Yeah.
God. Let's go get our money.
Boys. Boys, I'm scared.
Don't worry about it.
Dude, I mean, dude, there are veins on my forehead. I'm in immense distress.
Looks Mac.
Oh,
Looks like, the boss fight.
Alright, let's go see who it is.
If it's the same guy, I'm getting off. If it's the same guy.
I think it is.
You laugh.
I mean, we are stronger.
It is.
You're lying. You're lying. No, it's not.
No, it's the splits, like I said.
How do you tell?
Oh yeah. It depends on the way the world looks, like outside world. And then
I don't want to go in
no,
there.
it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not. It's the arrow, motherfucker. Yeah, the shroud.
Oh, so he came here instead.
Yeah, I told you. And if you did the little trials before, he lost a health bar. Now we have faithful at full force. and he bombed the entire map. And when I
Is he? He's probably. Is he easier than the other guy? Oh no, he's not. Never
no,
mind.
he bombed the entire map. It doesn't matter if we're separated. The entire map.
Is there multiple ways to kill this guy or no?
I
How
just
is someone
got.
already dead.
I got one shot in. But the root guys.
He's bombing. He's a terrorist. Watch out.
No warning.
Wow, you got took out like an assassin. Damn.
That was close.
That was, what the fuck? Where? What? Where?
Bro, sniper.
Ender axe?
Target lock on. Taking the shot.
I'm on it.
He's been playing too much Sniper Elite.
Yeah, literally. That's crazy. Nice wall high.
But
I was putting my foot on my Xbox, it would heat up my foot.
What are these ammo crates? If I use
Dang,
these
I don't
ammo
know.
crates that I bought, will they just give me ammo?
It gives you
immediately?
ammo.
Yeah, that's what I
it
thought.
fully restocked it.
I didn't know if it dropped it on the ground or if it just gives me ammo.
It fully
Like, no
restocked
shit, it gives me
Back
ammo,
in
you
like,
dick. Oh my god, he's being lit up.
Fire, that's funny.
He's being lit up. Bombing. Okay, this is good. Be good.
Hi, baby. Take a shot
Is
at
he
me?
aiming at me? I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, dog.
I'm crazy with it. Bombing.
Said I woke up.
He spawned on me. Spawned right on me.
Tell me what the dogs actually doing something this time, and not just getting killed.
Bombing. Oh my god, that almost hit me. Oh my god.
Nice, second bar, no down.
Don't jinx it.
To the face.
Yeah, please don't jinx it. He was waiting there. I just got hatcheted in the face.
Yeah, I was upset. I was low on stam.
Fight back. Paul, make sure to read on the doll. They beat down after a certain number of minutes.
Bombing.
My gosh, dang stamina.
I need some more stamina.
Where's stamina?
He's bombing.
Man, teleport on me, please.
Eyes. We got eyes.
Don't lie. Bomb.
Bombing.
Oh my god, that's some delay with the top. Come on.
Oh god. Oh shit. Oh my god, that fucking shit's so useful. Oh, he teleported on me!
Holy God!
Hello?
Where is he? He's not on me. He's not on me. He's on me. He's below. He's gonna fire you though. Bomb, 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 bomb.
I put that really slow. That would have been like, not out.
Yeah, literally.
One up there.
I died! getting hit and getting dodged. So annoying.
Oh my god. Okay, I'm out of stam. I gotta wait.
Back.
I can get him.
Get him.
I can get him.
Alright.
Jutsu on my feet.
Where is he?
Back dodge instantly. Back dodge instantly.
Oh shit.
Bombing.
Where is he? Where the fuck is he?
Oh, I fucking pressed left stick on accident. Where did he go?
He's up here, up here. Right there.
Why are you on me? Why are you fucking with me? AI. Crap. Fucking AI.
I'm using
dodge.
eyes. I'm using eyes. He's across the way. You can get him, but there's a bunch of regular people on you.
I know I see. Get him. I'm getting him.
Bombing.
Matt, Armani, run.
That's fine. Oh, that's me.
Oh my god.
Dodge.
Spawned.
I'm doing damage to him.
I just see Axe flying by my fucking head.
It's okay. My ball is rod.
Bombing.
He's so
Holy shit, I cut that close. Keep going. He's up top here. Up top here.
got mad at him. Yeah, we should really start hanging.
Yeah, that's actually like super intelligent, honestly. Right here on me.
Okay.
Oh god, the ping system is amazing. Right there.
Watch out how you
David.
got ads.
I know. Please.
Or mad.
Now's not the
Above me
time.
up, above me up here.
Ooh, how did I go down?
Oh, I might be dead here. No, I'm just better.
Why is my dog like not spawning in? He's on me.
He was not a. Oh, he was shooting at me.
I got him.
Yeah.
Never mind, he's targeting.
Dodge height.
He's on me.
Res.
No, he's on me. Never mind, he's targeting you though. He hits the railing. I'm so weak.
Oh,
I'm at a dragon.
I'm bleeding.
Literally quarter health.
I'll check out girl. Oh my god. Oh, are you? I just got spit roasted.
I got him.
There's a lot of people near me. A lot of grunts near me. Good shit. Take out the grunts first. Don't sacrifice yourself for me.
Whatever summon dogs as they pull up. I need the bite.
Okay, come on.
I'm on my way. Oh, he started looking at me. Oh, in my general direction.
Is he bombing? He's bombing.
He's bombing.
Pain him, please.
Cannot go get out again. He's dead. Just need to hire both out.
Kill him! I mean, I'm dead.
I forgot there was a sliding system.
Can you spawn your dog and someone ritually shoot the dog, please, before you leave?
Why so?
They're gonna piss me back.
Releases the clip into the dog.
Its body got strewn across the floor.
Just the one line before death.
No, the fact that I got like pushed across the floor by the momentum of a bullet. Multiple bullets, an entire clip.